Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is an upgraded variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So Redmi Note 5 Pro was one of the best selling smartphones in India, and now we have the successor of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Redmi Note 6 Pro. While there are a lot of similarities between the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Redmi Note 6 Pro, so you can see that this device comes with the same Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset. It has 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variants, and it has also 4000 mAh capacity battery. So a lot of features remain the same, but we also have some upgrades. This has a dual front camera setup. The rear camera has been upgraded, much better low light performance. The display has a notch now, and the software is MIUI 10, while the processor remains the same, that Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing. So you can see that this device comes in 4 colors: the red, rose gold, blue and the black variant, and we have the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, which is a black variant. And you can see the specifications: 20 plus 2 megapixel portrait selfie camera. That's the new addition to this device, and it also comes with a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera and a 19:9 full screen display. It's a 6.26 inches display. The Redmi Note 5 Pro was 5.99 with 18:9. We have 19:9 on this device, and this is Snapdragon 636 chipset. So everything else remains the same. So we'll just start off the unboxing. So taking this out, you can see that the Redmi Note 6 Pro label on the top. You can see that the dual camera setup for the rear and the front camera, and everything else is mentioned here. So let's just peel off these stickers. So design wise, there is just subtle changes to the design language. Otherwise it's the same design and looks, and this has the dual camera setup. So let's just peel off this as well. So there you go. So that's the design aspect. So everything else remains the same. So apart from that, you get a case included with a box pack. So that's the case which is included. So it's the same TPU case which we had with the Redmi Note 5 Pro as well. So the manual and warranty information is included here. So that's the manual and warranty. You also get a SIM ejector pin. Then you get the standard adapter. So let's just check the voltage rating of this adapter. So it's 5 volt 2 ampere. So this is the standard charging, but this device does come with QC 3.0 support. That's Qualcomm's quick charge 3.0 support, and this is micro USB standard cable for charging and data syncing. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Redmi Note 6 Pro. You can see that 6.2 inches display with the notch included. So that's the notch, and we have the dual camera setup with the 20 and 2 megapixel camera. So it's a full HD plus resolution display, and this runs on MIUI 10. So that's the change. Now we have this is the standard MIUI 10 global variant, and this has Android Oreo out of the box, Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. So that's the UI, and you also get additional features included like the second space, dual app support, and a few other gestures supported, and it also comes with support for themes. So that's the MIUI. So not much of change, but it does get the latest version of MIUI. So it's a MIUI 10. So you can see that this device has a new interface with the MIUI 10. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is the new camera. You can see that it comes with AI mode. This is quite similar in interface with Poco. Poco also had this AI mode. So this is again having AI mode, and rest all remains the same. So that's the camera interface. So rest all remains the same. So let's go to the video recording. So there is EIS support available for the video. So you don't have to worry about shaky videos. So image stabilization is included, and the video quality is 1080p resolution at 30 fps. So no 4K supported on this device yet. So that's kind of disappointing, but this just come with EIS support. That's the available option. So that's the camera interface. So let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with this device. So here are some samples. We will also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device. So stay tuned for that. We'll also be comparing with other smartphones in this price segment. Now this phone also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery that should be quite good enough for almost 1.5 days of battery life, and this also has QC 3.0, so that should be again good. So that was unboxing and the quick hands-on with the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So we'll be coming up with more videos on this device, so stay tuned for that. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.